16th one, write a Python program to check the validity of passwords input by users. Okay, validity we have to check it, and this is the pattern we have to check it. And for this, we have to import RE module, regular expression module, import RE, and also we have to search with search pattern. Okay, search method will be there. We have to use search method for this pattern search. Okay, we will see with an example. First, we have to import module, import RE. Okay, regular expression module. Okay. So in this module, it contains all the expressions A to Z, A capital A to Z with some formats, some patterns, and enter string here, text equal input, and enter string from the keyboard. Okay, enter some string from the keyboard, and it has to match it. Okay, it has to match the string has to match the pattern. Okay, and take since some y is equal to true here, assign y variable to true. Suppose if y take the y loop here, while y means if while true, if it is true, search pattern. No, what's the search pattern here? First one we will search minimum length is 6 characters, length maximum is 16 characters. Okay, the length of the string password string should be between 6 and 16. Okay, so we have to do if x less than sorry length of x, okay, length of x less than 6, okay, or length of x greater than 16. It is to break. Okay, use break statement here. Okay, comes out of the loop. Okay, just come out of the loop. If it has true, if it is true. Next thing is if loop elif was the next pattern. We'll set the pattern for small a to z here. Okay, small a to z and capital A to z. Elif uh, not I'm taking here not v dot search method. Search method is there. In search method, first parameter is the pattern here, small a to z here. Okay, small a to z. And second parameter is the string you pass it from the keyboard. Okay, the string which you pass it from the keyboard, password string. Okay, text simple. Okay, suppose the enter string is not there in this A to Z. Okay, this comes out to the loop. Okay, just come out to the loop. Break. Same next also if not v dot search method. Okay, now capital A to Z because password string must be one capital letter and one small letter. Okay. Okay, and second parameter is the string you passed it. Okay, the string you passed from the keyboard. Password string there. Okay, and also password must contain numbers. Okay, once at least one number. Elif not v dot search method 0 to 9. Okay, first pattern is the pattern. First parameter is the pattern here, and second parameter is a string. Okay, break. If the password string is letter is not there in the password string. Okay, next one is some. Okay, this one. At least one character from the special characters. Okay, elif not v dot search method special characters will be there. No, one special characters like these three should be there. Must any special character must be there. It's here. Okay, break here. Elif else elif and also else if everything if all conditions are true here, else condition else print valid password. Okay, print valid password. Okay, if all the conditions are true. Okay, so because if the conditions sorry all the conditions are false, it comes to a condition here. Make it y is equal to false here. Break it. Okay, break. So any conditions are true if y is true, okay, it's invalid password. If y was true, print invalid password. Okay, simple. Simple. I hope you understand. Okay. First, okay, enter some password string from the keyboard. Okay, the string shows in this variable x variable. Okay, take one variable, initialize it to true. Okay, y variable. If the variable is true, while loop. Okay, while loop. It checks the conditions here. If length exact string length is less than 6 or greater than 6, if the string length contain must be between 6 and 16. Okay, if it is not between 6 and 16, it will break it. It come out of the loop. Okay, because the y is true here, it invalid password. Okay. So if string contains 6 and length of string contains between 6 and 16, then it goes to the next condition. Well, if not, reload search method. Reload search method. This pattern, first parameter is a pattern. What this pattern we want to check, and second parameter is a string which was from the keyboard. Okay. So if the string contains at least one letter from this A to Z. Okay. If the string doesn't contain at least one letter from this A to Z, break it. Okay. If the string doesn't contain capital A to Z, break it. If the string doesn't contain one number from 0 to 10, break it. If the string doesn't contain uh, some special characters, break it. Okay. If all the conditions are if all the conditions okay, if all the conditions are false, then it comes to the else here else conditions. That is print valid password. Okay. And break it and make it y is false and break it. Okay. If the conditions are true, y was true. No? So if it is true, then invalid password. This will check with the output here. So you enter something here. Suppose I am writing const here, pass this. Okay, invalid password here because string length of the string is less than 6 here, right? So we'll enter correct string now, correct password string. String must contain one small letter. Length should be okay. Python. Okay, small letters contain. It contains some one big letter A, and also it must contain one number. Okay, 9 number. Okay, and also one special character at the rate. Okay, if the string is like this, it's a valid password. Okay, see, it contains all, it satisfies all conditions. Okay, it length between 6 and 16, and the at least one letter has small letter, one letter has big letter, one number, and also one special character. Observe no, valid password. Python again, break. Is there anything wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, wait while we search again. Enter any string PYTH O N Python and one big letter, one number, and also one special character dollar. String length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length between 6 and 16. It contains one small letter, one big letter, one integer, and also special character. So it should be false. Okay. Useful valid password now. Invalid password. Continue to while true. Else if I think one more step you have to write it to space. I think so. Elif read search. It contains backslash s I think so, and the pattern is XE. Okay. Break. Okay. So it means the contains new line. Okay. Enter any string here. Python cafe one valid password. It's a new line I think so. So because I have to set because Python moves to the new line. No? If the cursor moves to the next line, percentage is here. Okay, you have write here percentages. Sorry, the backslash is here. So take here new line spaces. Okay, doesn't if it doesn't contain spaces, like if it doesn't contain spaces, it's not. So take condition here. Okay, that's simple.